Okay, they're removing the anchor. We're the last vehicle to board yung TriStar. Naswerte kami na nakahabol pa kami. Otherwise, it will be an hour or more for the next ferry. So this is the setup, no? Kanina siguro you saw yung previous video how we entered, no, from outside going to this Roro vessel. This is TriStar, no, vessel from the port of Bacolod to the port of Dumangas in Iloilo. So I'm still staying here sa car because I want to observe how they will be removing yung harness, and then eventually makaalis na rin. So if you observe natin, makita ba? First tayo, ano, to go out. Last vehicle to enter, first vehicle to go out. Maximize talaga lahat. Tingnan mo. Sa kabila is yung jail na vehicle. The fare is 1,000 pesos, no, for an hour of trip, crossing yung the sea between Negros and Panay Island. So yung setup nila is for every vehicle 2 passengers are free. So that explains also yung mga truck na may kasamang helper. Okay, we're waiting. Maya no, kubayaran natin yung pag remove ng harness, then eventually for the Roro vessel to sail ship.